So I'll end there and turn it over to Dr. Randolph. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Haushalter. Greetings, fellow citizens of Shelby County. I'm Dr. Bruce Randolph, the Health Officer, Shelby County Health Department. Just a few things I want to address, and primarily address the elephant in the room, and that is there have been a lot of reports and concern about the activity that took place over the Thanksgiving holiday weekend, parties at different locations, but one in particular. But one thing I want to first remind all of us, and that is that we all have a role to play in preventing and controlling the transmission of this virus. And as I've said before, I will repeat again, just because something is legally permissible, it's not medically advisable to attend or participate. Just because it's open, you should not go. From a service and business perspective, the health directive is very clear in what the safety measures are required. And we intend and will hold all services and businesses and individuals to the health measures outlined in the health directive. The current one is Health Directive number 15. I want to just tell you that we are currently investigating the situation and allegations that is in complaints. Again, not only of the particular establishment that has gotten a lot of publicity, but others as well, to make sure that everyone is adhering to our health directive, and we will take the appropriate action at the appropriate time. So please do not interpret our lack of immediate response to your particular timetable as an indication that we are not intending to do something. We will respond. But in the meanwhile, I want to just say to even the individuals, you must exercise judgment. For months, we have characterized this virus. We have repeated over and over, how is this virus transmitted? Things you can do to at least help prevent, it may not 100% prevent, but lower the risk of spreading the virus as well as getting infected. We've asked everyone to wear your mask, to maintain 6 feet separation, to avoid crowds and gatherings, to go get tested, especially if you at risk, you engage in activity that place you at risk, visit places that place you at risk, or you're around loved ones who are more susceptible to the adverse effects if the virus infect them. So I'd ask you, fellow citizens, your behavior this weekend, was it the right thing to do? Was it the responsible thing to do? Was it the safe thing to do? You know, to go to an event, crowded, hanging out within 6 feet, yelling, singing, no mask, doing all the things that we've asked that you not do. And then knowing that you have at home a grandmother a mother, a relative, a loved one who may be more susceptible, even if you're not susceptible. You have to ask yourself, why? Is it because you're tired, fatigued, you don't want the government to tell you what to do? Or is it that you don't care, or you're selfish? These are issues and questions you yourself must answer. But I'm asking that we all do our part, and we all adhere to the safety measures that we have in place. And no, we can't be everywhere at all times. You, as an individual, as a person, must exercise the responsibility and the discipline and the commitment to remain safe and do what you can do to remain safe, to protect yourself and to protect others. With that, I will stop and entertain, I'm sure, many questions that you may have.